Hi everyone, welcome back to another video. Hope you're enjoying the Easter holidays. Recently picked up some car care products for the new car. Finesse had a sale on for 20% over the Easter, along with a free wax that they gave with the parcel. So I'm going to show you what I've got. Nice box. Package well on the receipt. Got a free car freshener. Smells like soap. A catalogue possibly. The product range. I'll have a look through that later. Ultra glaze polish. Hoping that'll be a bit better than the triple one that they do. So yeah, that'll look nice on the car. Interior air freshener, bubblegum aroma. You can spray that into the carpets and obviously it stays for quite a bit. Revived trim dressing. You know, all your plastics that have gone a bit dull, obviously bringing them back to life a bit. Nice. Polish pads. Once used, I can chuck them in the wash, reuse them again. The noodle mitt, new wash mitt. Look forward to using that. The other like furry one that they had all sold out, I'm guessing due to the sale. So that'll be nice to use. Foam pads. You know, for applicating certain products to the car. Spot pad that I can use with my like the foot pad, it just drips on by like a velcro thing. Makes it a bit more comfortable when applying products to your car. And most importantly, the free wax that they were offering for the Easter sale. No info on what the wax is. Smells like cherries. It doesn't want to focus on the wax. But yeah, we'll be trying that out on the new car. Everything I got. Your ultra glaze. Try again. Ultra glaze polish. Revive for the trim. Bubblegum air freshener. Free wax. Your wash mitt. Nice to meet you. And you've got your wash mitt. Your wax pad. Your foam applicator. Your polish pads. Receipts. All at Finesse. Free air freshener. All this came to a total of £30, which pretty much is a bargain in itself. So yeah, I hope you've enjoyed this quick little unboxing. I'll catch you in the next one where I put these products to use.